Hi, my name is Hakshan Ketchan and my student ID is 224874982. And today I will present the task analyzing YouTube video data from news publishers. So first of all, I will take the YouTube API key by following the tutorial, then put my API key into the file credentials.ini. And next I will collect the videos from first day of January in 2020 to first day of January in 2025. The keywords I chose is climate change, global warming, carbon emissions, and climate crisis. The channels I chose is BBC News, CNN, ABC News, and Sky News Australia. And follow this. So in this file, this the all the libraries I will use. This is setting, and then there's some function to uh, take all the videos and all the comments. So when I run this code, the it will collect videos within these settings from the four news publisher. And when it's done, it will announce that videos have been collected. It also collecting comments, and then it also do some of the data cleaning. So from that, I get two files, which is um, comments.csv, all other comments, video ID, comment ID, and everything. And also the videos.csv, which is the statistics of the video. And in this test, I also import some uh, libraries for the data analyze. There's some data cleaning and prepare process that have been written before. And this is the Python, the function used to get the sentiment of a text. So I will begin with the task. The task required me to check if the following hypothesis is true. Video titles that contain certain words are more likely to elicit certain sentiments in the comment, and use visualization and discuss my observations. So first of all, uh, I will clean the video titles. So from the video titles, I will split it and then move to the column word. Uh, then so this one will work like this. So we have a brand new column word that is extract from the video title into single word. And then I use explode to separate all the words into a single rows. And then after that, I will use the written function, which is get sentiment. And then I will put all the sentiment into new column called word sentiment. And in here, I will sort the value. So I use group by to choose the column word sentiment, and word use sign to find the number of that word in a single sentiment. Like if the word maybe count appears 2, it will have another column with count equal to 2. And then I will reset the index, sort the values so that we have the uh, we have a descending order for the count. Then I will show the data frame. So in here we have the word sentiment, which is already grouped by, so it's all negative, neutral, and positive. And then all the times each words appear in each sentiment. So this the uh, the relationship between the word sentiment and word. And then I will use word count to visualization this relationship. So for this one, I will write the function for the word count. So for this part, I will join all the separate word here into a uh, single one, and then drop all the non-values. This is the setting for the word count, and this is the word count display that I will run this sentiment. As you can see here, I have the word count for neutral, negative, and positive. From this word count, I have some observations. So the first observation is the neutral word count. Yeah, is filled with proper nouns and topic-specific terms like climate change, climate, Biden, BBC News, Australia. So these are factual, descriptive words used to report events without emotional charge. This suggests the neutral videos are primarily news styles reporting on climate policy and politics. So this indicates that the neutral category mainly contains informational or news reporting content, where the purpose is to describe events, statements, or policies in an objective manner, rather than to express opinions or emotions. And my next observation is about the word cloud of negative. So the negative word cloud is characterized by emotional, intense, and pessimistic vocabulary such as late, disturbing words, means, or devastating. So this word strongly suggests urgency, concern, and criticism. This pattern indicates that the content classified as negative tends to emphasize harm, risk, or insufficient action, particularly in relation to climate issues. Words like devastating and vulnerable is highlight the severity of environment consequence, while failures suggest criticism of governments, policies, or response to climate change. So that is my observation about the word cloud negative. The last one will be the word cloud positive. So the positive word cloud contain optimistic and action-oriented terms such as action, new, huge, uh, clearly, and some of the positive word. So this indicates that the positive content is often associated with solutions, improvements, or achievements related to climate action. For example, action and bold imply proactive efforts of policy change, while win suggests successful outcomes of milestones reached in addressing climate issues. So compared to the negative category, this sentiment group frames climate related discussions in a more hopeful and solution-focused way, emphasizing progress rather than problems. So that is the that is my visualization of the relationship between sentiment and word. So I believe that the video titles that contain certain words, like in this case, these words, are actually elicit certain sentiments in the comments. And that's all for my HD task.